Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a Philips Hue bridge not connecting to Apple HomeKit in 2026. Now, if HomeKit can't find your bridge or setup keeps failing, you can just simply try these easy solutions. So first of all, you need to confirm that you are using Hue Bridge version 2. Only this version supports Apple HomeKit. If you have the older round bridge, it won't work. Now, you need to basically check same internet connection. Your iPhone and your Hue Bridge must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Avoid any guest networks or different bands that isolate the devices. Now, after checking both of these, if it is still not basically connecting or fixing, you can just simply try restarting all three. Like you need to restart your iPhone, you need to restart your router, and then you need to restart your Hue bridge. Now wait for everything to reconnect and then you can try again. Now this fixes most of the pairing related issues, and you can just definitely try this resetting method. Now you need to find the HomeKit setup code on the bottom of the Hue bridge or inside the application. You are going to see it. So you need to scan or enter it carefully. The wrong code will fail the setup. Now, in order to remove the already added bridges, you need to basically re-add the bridges via the application. For that, you need to open the Hue application. After that, go to settings. In the settings, look for the option of bridge. Then look for the option of add bridge. So when you click on the option of add bridge, it is going to take some time and it is going to basically look for the fresh connection. So you can try all of these methods and see if the issue is fixed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.